have been evicted. Please leave the lockdown house. Who will win this lockdown season?
Hi, my name is Annette. Welcome to another video. It's the Big Brother Naija live eviction show, and the tension is high. We are really scared. We don't know who is going home because all the people that are up are actually our favorites, to be honest. Okay, from Ozo to Kiddwaya to Dorothy to Prince, these guys are amazing people, and we are like, oh no, we don't want them to go home. But the truth of the matter is the show is gradually coming to an end, and people will have to go home. People will have to be evicted, and that's the truth. And that means our favorites will have to go. For Ozo, I really like Ozo. He's an amazing person. He's a great guy. Aside from the fact that Ozo is all about Nengi and everything, I feel Ozo should definitely stay. But some people of the school of thought that Ozo is getting really annoying. The fact that it's just making Nengi, as in just all about Nengi and all of that. We're not really getting to know him aside from the Nengi thing that we are like associating with him. So people are like, Ozo should come and be going. I beg, like, it's Tony Ume's attitude is too much. You should come and be going. And Kiddwaya, people are rooting for Kid because they want him to stay because of Erica, and they are like, he's a strong contender for the money. Okay, then we have Dorothy, girl, no drama, pretty lady. She's just there, eyes on the game. Aside from the little distractions here and there that she had, she really has her eyes on the game. She even said it herself that the hard work she has put into the game, the sleepless nights, the prayers, and everything, that she really, she's thankful for the platform, and honestly, I want her to be among the top 5, to be honest. I love Dorothy. And Prince is a very, very competitive guy. I mean, he didn't win Mr. Nigeria for nothing. He's an amazing guy. We also want Prince to stay back, but of the 4 of them, for me, the weakest is Prince. And if 2 housemates will have to be evicted today, if Prince leaves, the other people are definitely going to cry. Honestly, they are going to cry. Okay, just a very, very sad situation, to be honest. So I'm going to be bringing it live and direct to you guys, so please stick around for this amazing live eviction show. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Okay, hit the notification bell so whenever I post a video you get to see it. If you like this one, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. I'll see you with the eviction results. Okay.